What's up everybody, welcome to another one of my crazy DIY videos. Today we'll be installing the closet and then I'll be able to show you the whole room. This will be the third video of the series that we're doing. Number one is me building the frame, and then number two is me putting up the sheetrock and prepare it and paint it. Let me not talk too much, so let's get into the closet installment. This nice little machine right here will help me find the studs, and this nice laser level here will help me keep the closet level. Next, after I find the studs and where I want to put the screws, I'm gonna make the holes so I can install them easier. It's important to make sure that you measure it right. That way you can cut the right size to fit in the space that you have. Also, before I screw in the brackets, I make sure that the shelves are level. That way, the closet won't look crooked, it'll be straight. Yep. And there you have it. The closet is installed. Yep. As promised, now it's time for me to show you what the room looks like now. Remember, this was a dining room. Basically, the house had two dining rooms. I decided to turn this one into a bedroom, and this is me going through the process, which wasn't easy, but it's done. Welcome to my new bedroom. Bam! Woohoo! Yeah, man, look at this. Big closet. Let me open these doors real quick. Yeah. Big old closet over here. I also have a separate video for installing the door. That should be coming out soon. One for the closet door and the one for the actual room door. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you love it like I do. And if you do, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our other videos.